Our experience of working with Khan Saab and Ayan Aman has been the most fabulous one over the last few years. For classical music to survive, it's important right now that the youngsters go back and start accepting that music as their own, which needs that people who are the patrons of classical music need to constantly innovate. And I think Khan Saab, Ayan and Aman are the poster boys of that. And the current album also, I think, is an amazing way to reach out this music to the next generation.
Right. And any interesting experiences during the recording?
Humility and etiquette and giving respect to people. I think one should go out there and take a session of 1 month at Khan Saab's house. Whether Khan Saab, Mrs. Khan, or the two boys. I think it's amazing working with them. You almost feel right now that you're part of the family. Thank you.
सही है सर सही है सर थोड़ा क्या कर सही है एक मिनट ऑन योर लेफ्ट से वो तो सही है लड्डी का नहीं फोटा इतना हाथ धोने का काम है ना मुझे
Should I look this side, this side? Here, acha. It's a very unique project because we have been hearing the word Rabab and Sarod separately. But this is the first album where you hear the sound of Sarod and Rabab together. My forefathers came from Afghanistan and they used to play Rabab. In fact, the word Sarod means music. Music, Nagma, Tarannum. So Sarod, the tonal quality of Sarod is so different than Rabab. And the involvement of Dawood Khan Sadozai, a Rabab player, is from Afghanistan. And with Aman and Ayan, they have played beautiful traditional songs of Afghanistan. And few tracks Aman has played with Dawood Bhai, and few tracks Ayan has played with Dawood Bhai. And one track I have played with Dawood as my blessings and good wishes to this album. I hope this album is experienced by every human being who ever loved music and loved Sarod and Rabab.
थैंक यू जरा प्लीज
अरे नीचे बैठो ना आगे वाले जो है
साथ में ये ऊपर करके
किस पथ पर जाऊं? असमंजस में है बोला भाग। अलग अलग पथ बतलाते सब, पर मैं ये बतलाता हूं, राह पकड़ तू एक चला, पा जाएगा तू मधुशाला, पा जाएगा तू मधुशाला। For them, music is their mother, and their path has been unwavering and steadfast. I am very proud to be here this evening to celebrate their incredible journey. Before giving you a glimpse of that journey, I would like to call on stage Mr. Vikram Mehra, MD Saregama Limited, India, to come up on stage and say a few words. Mr. Mehra.
Has been there in the business of making music out of over 110 years. In fact, the first song that we recorded was a piece of classical music by Gauhar Jan in early 1900s. From that time onwards, there's no piece of or category of music that we invested more than classical music. But we are a bit concerned at this juncture as a company which is pushing this. For this music to go out there to the next generation, for it to go on for the future generations to appreciate, it's important that youngsters start adopting it as their own. They cannot look at this music as a music which is of their parents. And doing this is not music. Soul of the music needs to be kept intact. It's the packaging, presentation, and how do you deliver this music to people across the country, to younger audience. Saregama is trying to do its little bit what we can do, which is on the delivery mechanism. The youngsters today consume music in a very different fashion. Hence, we have taken every possible track that we people own, digitized it, put it as part of a single application. So just imagine thousands and thousands of pieces of music on Carnatic, Hindustani and fusion, all part of a single application. All happening with the blessing of Khan Saab. That application is around 18 months old. But the tougher task is the packaging and presentation. And there is nobody who's better poster boys of that than Khan Saab, Ayan and Aman. Their ability to adapt, their ability to change, innovate at all times, most importantly challenge status quo, and at the same time maintain the dignity of this music. I think they're doing a fabulous job, and as part of Saregama we are very, very grateful to them. Thank you, sir. This album, Journey Rabab to Sarod, is an amazing amalgamation or coming together of these two distinct notes which are similar but different of Rabab and Sarod. It's an amazing collaborative work which has been done between Khan Saab, Daud Saab, Ayan and Aman. I hope you guys are going to thoroughly enjoy the evening. At the end of the evening right now, this music is going to be available across every OTT application, across YouTube, wherever you want to go back and enjoy it for the second time. Have a great time, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mehra.